The snowstorm. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Missy Booth, the farmer. She has two children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. In the night there was a big snowstorm. In the morning it is still snowing. You must wrap up warm, says Missy Booth to Poppy and Sam. Ted works on the farm. He helps Missy Booth look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, calls Ted. Where are you going? Says Poppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep? Says Sam. They are all covered with snow, says Ted. We will have to find them, says Poppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted, Poppy and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, says Sam. Poppy counts the sheep. There are only 6 sheep. One is missing, says Poppy. It's that naughty Woolly, says Ted. They look for Woolly. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty, good dog, find Woolly, calls Sam. Rusty runs across the field. Ted, Poppy, and Sam run after him. Rusty backs at the thick hedge. Ted looks under the hedge. Can you see anything? Says Sam. Yes, Woolly is hiding in there. Little Rusty, says Ted. Come on, Woolly. Let me help you out. Oh, girl, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Woolly out of the hedge. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What is it? Ted, says Poppy. Ted lifts out a tiny lamp. Woolly has had a lamp, he said. We will take it and Woolly to the barn. They will be warm there. Poppy rides home. She holds the lamp. What a surprise, she says. Good old Woolly.